So what's up, CFMOTO? We are super pumped. Yet Thursday, I headed up to Team MSC Parts and in Tishomingo, and a little bit of peer pressure I felt. Anyways, we walked out the door with this GGB exhaust. Been wanting one of these for, I don't know, definitely since Blake put his on. So let's get it down here. What a flippin' beauty. Get a close up on that. Look at them. Super nice. So we're going to install it. We got a little bit of Halloween ride tonight, and this is the GGB Sport. Blake has the Trail, so I'm gonna crank this unit up. Only thing done to it is the Team MSC tune as far as motor work right now, and so we'll have us a little before and after of the exhaust sound. Throw that back in there. So factory exhaust, what it sounds like. I'll give it a couple revs, let it warm up a second. We're here on our on-site shop. This new trailer we got us a toolbox in it. So if you see me at an event, chances are I'll have what you need as far as the fixture machine, and I'll have tools, and I'll help you. I don't mind helping. Anyways, back to the exhaust. Give it a couple revs. So all I have with me is like I said, my in-trailer toolbox. So we're gonna tear into this thing, and don't look too bad. So hopefully it won't take too long to throw on. Let's get it. Let's get the right size to start with. Also, I don't know if any of y'all, but I'm super excited for that big bore kit they got coming out. Every video they post, I am just waiting. I love the HOEX, but anytime you can get more power, like getting the tune, you need to do it. Gotta do it. So let's see what it's gonna take. exhaust loose. Oh yeah, we in there now. Also recommend not cranking it up and letting the exhaust get hot. It's a little warm on it. Oh, a little warm. It's a lot warm. Son. Out with the old. Also, if you've done something different with the back of the machine, that GGB exhaust is just so beautiful. I hate to cover it up with that little plastic piece on the back of the unit, but I mean, it's hard to beautify this too, you know. So we'll just have to see what we come up with. Boys, I'm telling you, would you just look at it? Don't lose your little washers here. Hopefully I can get them in here. So excited to hear what it's gonna sound like. I just try not to overstep. That's all there is to it, changing your exhaust. So like I said, if you get a GGB exhaust, maybe it's riding around in your trunk or back seat of your truck, and I'm at an event and you got a 950 HOEX, we'll help you throw it on. Let's get a close-up though. So now we're going to crank it up for the first time and hear what this thing is going to sing. Like I said, that plastic piece, you just want to leave it off so everybody knows you got a GGB shining back here. I mean, it looks like it's all TIG welded, stainless. Let's bust her off. So that's the GGB exhaust install. Super easy, sounds amazing. We're not sponsored by GGB. We would love to, just throw that out there. But MSC, if y'all need a GGB for your Zforce or any of them, they got them for the C-Force, Zforce. They may even have one for the U-Force, I'm not sure. But anyway, super happy with it. So definitely look them up. I'll try to drop a link in the bottom of it online there at teammscparts.com. But super proud about it. Like I said, drop a comment on what you did different right here, because I'd like to be able to see it, you know? It's so pretty back there. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We got an awesome ride coming up in 2 weeks, Veterans Day weekend. Some big dogs will be there, and we're taking it to North Alabama to do some climbs. So we'll be singing and climbing, and you won't be able to miss us. Now you'll be able to hear us. So like, subscribe, follow along. If you see us on the trail, holler. We love riding with you guys. And check out misfitmoto.com. And if I can help you in any way, just message me on Facebook or Instagram or right here, comment. So thanks for watching.